Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Vaiot, it's one of the rare coin that it was really resilient and resisted the SEC attack. And even though it wasn't aimed from the SEC, but while the other coin they were crashing, like yeah, it did crash a little bit, but yeah, look at him, like I would say that we just did a double top because we did 11 cents about was it high 11 cents 09 on the 23rd of no the 8th of June, and today no yesterday that's 4 hour not today we did 11 4, so very close of being well, let's call it a double top. A lot of time, let's see. Anyway, don't wanna make some stats for a moment. Let's just analyze the price and check the chart, what it's telling us. Well, 4 hours is telling us that we can go even higher. Momentum, it's positive. I could say now, maybe this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and this is the A. Now, I'm now debating because if we continue like this, we can see 5 way up. So either, now I'm going to put it on the 1 hour so we have more clarity on the trend. I mean, we could say that this was the A, the B, and the C. Now, where is the... I guess I took it out. All right, so if I do the Fibonacci retracement of the impulsive movement here, so you can see that, let me large. So 5 way up, A, B, C, we went, near the 0.618, actually bend down on it, and now we are reversing. The problem now is like, honestly, I would have preferred that this is A, B, C for the A, B, C for the B, and after that we go a little bit lower, maybe between, just make a lower low, no? To this short trend, maybe go to 7.5 or something like that, would have been great. Now, we didn't do that for a moment, and I'm not sure because now if the trend continue, then I can see 5 way up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe this is the 5th one. So as you can see now, I draw some widening channeling, and yeah, we're hitting the points band on up to now. So maybe the 5th wave is going to go around 12 cents. Let's see how it goes, even a little bit higher. And if that is the case, we're doing our first wave into a diagonal, and then after that we will see when we reach these levels. Well, I'm expecting a pullback, right? Because if all this is a bigger wave 1, then we're going to have A, B, C for the wave 2. So now, hypothetically, if that was the beginning of our wave 1, even though I don't like to do hypothetically, let me see, close enough. Okay, let's put it there. So if we go there, maybe we do a B, and a C. So this level would be nice because this is the 0.618 at let's say 9. Let's say between 9 cents 5 and 9 cents 7, because this is the bigger retracement of the bigger wave. So we're going to have like 2 major support to hold us. So that would be very nice. Also, okay, this is the 1 hour. Let me see on the 4 hours. Okay, so MA50. Let's look for other points that can help us. So if we continue like this, the MA50 is going to go like that. So maybe it's going to add another support. MA200 is very far from the price. So that's an indication though that we can expect maybe, you need to check that. But the most important one that you want to check is the daily one. And as you can see, when I say often, when the price is very far from the MA200, I say, if the price is too far, you don't chase the price, let the price come to you, and your reference is the MA 200. As you can see, we did actually break below, which is not bullish, it's bearish. And now look at that, all this drama, it did help the coin to actually catch up. And then we had our first impulsive movement up, we break out from the MA 200, we wick out a little bit, and look at that, in the last 2 days the MA 200 hits our support. So this is very bullish, guys and girls. So now what we want to see is really, Vaiot to skyrocket, and maybe maybe the wave B, it's completed and this is the beginning of the third wave. That's another possibility. So we need to be prepared for that. And as you can see on the daily, it's almost impossible to have a reading because it's so, the move of Vaiot is so powerful that on the daily chart you can barely see the impulsive movement. It's just 6 candles, right? So the first thing we need to be or hold. Okay, so let's see pivotal point. We need to be aware price. If it goes higher or break higher than 11 cents and sustain those levels, then I believe it's going to skyrocket. What would be the next level? Let me see if I can get it. So our first reference, I would say, so if price is here, well, we have a peak here kind of at 11.5, and after that I would say the most important one, to beat is going to be the 13 cents. That's going to be the real first challenge for Vaiot. So 13 cents, it's the ultimate short-term challenge. So now we just need to regain levels one by one and see if Vaiot can do it. So as you can see now, we had this impulsive movement, try to beat this previous high, short-term high. Well, we did beat the B wave, if that was a B wave, and now we are unsure. Candles look strong though, even if it's red, but let's see how it goes. And then so that's all. That's pretty much all for Vaiot. I would say that momentum is green and steady and healthy, and you have nice candles. And RSI, okay, it's a little bit high. We tip in a few days ago in oversold, but now we retrieve and then we can go higher. We can stay a while into the oversold area, no problem. So that would be ideal, honestly. And if we have tomorrow another good news that they're going to pause, well, I believe Vaiot is going to go. Let me do some predictions. If everything goes well tomorrow and they pause the height, I can really see Vaiot go near 12 cents and a half, maybe even go and challenge this previous high at almost 13 cents. Okay, so that's my my bet, if you want. So tomorrow, if they pause the interest rate, I believe we could go up to 13 cents. There you go. Okay, so this is pretty much all for Vaiot for today. I think it was a too long video though. Going to try to do better for the next one. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good Tuesday.